Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your title. For example, like tap this your profile banner or profile page. So currently my title is beginner. You can edit it like tap change. So this one. So you can get this spotlight player, mighty player by doing this mission. Play win 10A rank in leagues, or this one, for example, free mission, get 10 one-star players, and so many title that you can get, and you can show in your profile. So the point is just playing more and get the title that suit your profile. So I want this one. I'm targeting this title, legendary player, free mission win 50 as plus rank leech. So it will be take too long, but this is my target, legendary player or even ultimate player. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.